President Aquino has ordered a crackdown on NPA roadblocks and extortion activities. At the same time, Malacanang urges candidates not to succumb to mocking activities by the rebel group. Added details from Rocky Ignacio.
President Aquino has issued a stern warning against those behind violence incidents during campaign and in the coming elections this May. The president issued the warning following the ambush wounding of Gingoog City Mayor Ruti Gingona by New People's Army rebels. 2 of those in the Gingona convoy were killed. In his speech in Balingasag, Misamis Oriental, the president vowed to use the full force of the law in protecting the communities.
Nangangako po ako sa abot ng ating kapangyarihan at kakayahan at sa ngalan po ng batas, mananagot po ang dapat managot. Hahabulin at dadikipin po natin ang mga taong nasa likod ng karahasang ito.
Aside from ensuring the security, the president wants to assure the people that the government continues to provide development projects in the provinces. The president was happy to bring the good news in the economic front. The impressive performance of the stock market index, a first in the Philippine economy.
Stock market ito nagsasabi kung gaano kaganda ang tingin sa ating ekonomiya namumuhunan. Madaling salita po, lumalaki ekonomiya natin, dumadagdag yung mga buwis na nakokolekta natin dahil mas matino na ang pagkolekta. Pag ginugol natin, tama yung paggugol. No, wala akong tongpats, walang bukol.
President Aquino visited some parts of Mindanao to deliver the fruits of reforms. From Balingasag, the president met local leaders in Cagayan de Oro City to personally inform that the Laguindingan International Airport will be operationalized in June. The new airport is expected to boost economic and tourism activities in northern Mindanao.
Sa Hunyo, bubuksan na ang bagong Laguindingan Airport. Kaya naman kung kaisa natin ang mga lokal na pinuno, tsak na mararamdaman ng buo ang benepisyong dulot nito sa pagdami ng oportunidad para sa ating mga kababayan.
The president reiterated that the development projects are part of helping Cagayan from the damages brought by Typhoon Sendong. He urged residents to give him people that will help him continue the straight path of governance. For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.